All right, so hi, my name is Chin Lo. I'm the integration intern for .USA at Benjamin Franklin Elementary School Extension in New Orleans, and this is my tutorial on how to use KerPoof. KerPoof is, as you can see, it's an animation website similar to Extra Normal or Go Animate, but it is designed for K-8 students, as you can see right here. And not only that, you can make a movie, which is the kind of what we're going to focus on today, but you can also make card drawings. You can make an interactive storybook with Tell a Story. So the first thing you need to do is go and create account, and you do that by logging in. And once you log in, it will prompt you. Once you click login, it will prompt you to this window, and you can either log in if you already have an account, or you can sign up. And since it is designed for kids, it asks you for the parents' account, and that's a good. That's kind of the good thing about this website is that the kids need their parents' permission in order to use it. Or of course, if they're using it in a school environment, they can use their school email as well. So after you log in, I just log in quickly. You go to make a movie, which will prompt you to choose a storyline, which is kind of the theme of the of your movie, and it kind of gives you your background as well as your stock characters. As you can see, there are a few varieties, and we'll do the Pirates of Awesome. Oh, just kidding. Need to buy that. We'll do School Bell, and then we'll put this in the hallway. So this is the interface. This is how you create your story. Create your movie and edit and give it all that good stuff. And one thing to notice about KerPoof is that once you add text, the characters won't speak it, as in you won't be able to hear it. They'll speak it in those speech bubbles. And I'll show you that in a moment. So here are the different characters, and you can refresh it to get new characters by clicking this kind of inverted pyramid. And I'll just pull two characters out, and you can make the characters as large as you want them. And this is a robot. This is a futuristic school. And as you can see, now that we have two characters in, you can click on them and to make them do all sorts of things. You can make them emote, and you have to drag it to this timeline. Which is another thing to notice is that, and they'll be happy. And then I'll also make her speak. And once again, you need to drag it to this timeline. And as you can see, the duration is how long the speech bubble will stay up. So this one, 2 seconds is fine. 2 seconds is what all you really need to read through the entire speech. And just to show you what that does, I'll play the movie quickly. As you can see, the emote is it's a very cartoonish program. So it's very appropriate for kind of elementary school, middle school kids, not so much high school kids. And then we'll make the robot respond. And I'll make this 3 seconds because it is a little longer. So as you can see, what I kind of figured out is that you can move everything needs to be placed sequentially from top to bottom. So first, she says, "Hi, robot friend," and then the robot responds. And next, she'll respond. And once I drag a box here, I'll place it underneath the robot's text. And then on the other kind of three other side, these three other columns, you can do like emotes like I did with her. You can make the robot calculate. Actually, I'll make it short circuit. So once again, we're going to go through the scene just to see what it does. See, it did, the robot was short circuit, and each character, each of these stock characters, come with their own special set of emotes and actions and all that, and it's kind of fun to go through and see what they all do. And you can also add a song, which I'll do right here, and there's also all sorts of different. We'll do robot station because that seems appropriate. I'm not sure if you can see that because I do have my headphones in, but the song is there, it's playing, is very ambient. So yeah, that's kind of the basic go through of KerPoof's movie making device, and you can see you can fade black once the scene ends. You can show a title, and over here this this button deletes everything. So just be careful when you use it. And favorites. That's part of your account. You can save like favorite items or things you bought from the KerPoof store. KerPoof is free to use, but does have it's freemium, so it does have elements you can buy and add to make your scenes, I guess, even more spectacular. Clicking here will kind of type the text. You can kind of add it, give your scene a title, and you can drag it to the top, very comic-like. You can save, you can print your scene, you can email it, and you can save it as a JPEG. So yeah, that's basically the kind of the long and short of it. This is very rudimentary introduction. There's plenty of other things that you can learn by just kind of going through and playing with the scene making. And like I said before, there are other elements as well. Like making an online storybook. Much younger kids, or maybe kids with on the autistic spectrum, can use it to learn how to spell words or can do like simple calculations. So it's a very kid-friendly site. I think it's very useful. And just one more thing, we can see what the finished product will look like if we click on this box right here. This will go back to it, to your kind of editing interface, and this will go back to that's what the movie will look like as a finished product. And as you can see, you can click save, give it a title, and you can share with everyone. Sharing, as you can as it does tell you, will we have to be reviewed for content by the KerPoof administrators. So just save your scene and go out there and have fun. Thanks.